responsible for making sure that the people have met the right qualification, they've met the right experience, they have the right competence. But once they get into radiology, HR has nothing to do with them. Now, the new Department of Health has to make sure that they come to work on time, they know how to dress properly, they know how to follow that department's guidelines. So they are part of the support system in terms of providing resources and other things to ensure that this wheel turns. So we need to know who are they. So I go to a facility and I say to them, do you have a list of all your suppliers? They say yes. I say, could you show me the list? They show me the list. And I say, is Umeme on your list? They look at me and they say, no. I say, who supplies your electricity? They say, Umeme. I say, but I just asked you whether you had a list of all your suppliers. They say, no, the hospital pays Umeme. I say, I don't care who pays Umeme. Do they supply you electricity? Yes. Are they on your list? No. Why? The basis will be that Umeme is not regular. But if Umeme is not on your list of suppliers, how do you make that conversation? You can't. Because for you to say you need backup power is for you to first of all say that Umeme is not constant. But now Umeme is not on your list of suppliers. So how do you start that phrase? This international standard can be used by medical laboratories in developing their quality management systems and assessing their own competence. Please highlight the following. It can also be used for confirming or recognizing the competence of medical laboratories by laboratory customers, regulating authorities and accreditation bodies. It can also be used for confirming or recognizing the competence of medical laboratories by laboratory customers, regulating authorities and accreditation bodies. However, there might be some national, Uganda is part of the big East African Community Bloc. There might be other regulations within Uganda and the bigger East African Community Bloc that could be brought into consideration. However, when you bring in national, international, regional considerations, they shall not, they will not in any way, shape or form be less stringent than what is in the standard.